All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Saitama. Now, I've been hearing some people said it's not Saitama Inu anymore. They dropped the Inu. I go to some of the articles and I see it. So we're talking about Saitama today. All right, this coin is up right this second. We're going to go to their Twitter account, go to their website, all kinds of good stuff. And Saitama has broken a new record for the number of holders holding the token. Fantastic. Then we're going to go over to Crypto Bubbles. We're going to I just added Saitama to it so you can kind of see it. I did a search on it, and we're going to have that go over that a little bit. And then last but not least, we're going to talk about Visa cards linked to cryptocurrency in the first quarter of the year, which is really the first month of the year. $2.5 billion in payments made with cryptocurrency using credit cards. All kinds of crazy stuff going on in crypto. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Let's head over to Saitama. No Inu. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Saitama is 28.47. It's up 17%. Woo! 17. Well, now it just went to 14% that quick. 13 to 17% in the last 7 days. Clicking it. All right, in the last 24 hours, it's down 2%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. And a 26.89. Taking a look in the last 24 hours, it kind of went up real good and kind of came back down. What's the last 7 days look like? Last 7 days, it's up. So fantastic. Saitama is up right this second. So we're going to go to that. Look at the holders. 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, 175,000. Today, 326,000. So 326,000 to 175 would be double, would be 350. It's about 85% more people holding the Saitama. Fantastic, everybody. Crypto Bubbles here. So to kind of show you this, the top 100. So you would go here and look at Saitama. I actually got right in there because it's one of my favorites. So it's listed. It's not in the top 100, but because it's one of my favorites, all the favorites are in there. So if I wanted to click Sand, I would click it. Look, in the last week, the Sandbox is up 23%. I know my face is covering this, but for the year, Sandbox is up 2,800%. Click the Saitama. I just added Saitama today by clicking this right here, and it becomes part of my favorites. But taking a look here, it's ranked 78th. Well, actually, on Crypto Bubbles, it's actually in the top 100. Fantastic. Market cap is 1.9 billion. 24th volume is 20.17. In the year, Saitama is up 2,900%. Do you think that's something you want to know if you're investing in Saitama? 2,900%? Holy cow, everybody. 17% for the week. For the month, it is down. Over here, at the Crypto Bubbles, it's a nice platform. If you wanted to see what's going on in the top 600 coins, you pick 600. The red ones are down. If it's up, you see it's up. So fantastic. You can go down to the top 1,000 coins. And again, there's gonna be cryptos on here you've never even thought of. That's why I'm bringing this to you again. Crypto Bubbles. You want to use this platform. Now, http cryptobubbles.net. All right, over here at the Twitter account, in case you missed it, Russell recently spoke on the TV anchor Jane King from NASDAQ, new to the Street TV show. See a full interview below. Couple other things right here. We would like to acknowledge and thank the community for following the tokens and patience and understanding, now listed on Saitama Mask. So we got 6 that are listed: Impact XP, Mandox, Ridge. Again, sorry about the patience. Saitama Mask took a little bit of time, but it's up and running right now. They're telling you that. It says also, if you're experiencing issues with Saitama Mask, please visit our frequently asked questions sections on the website. If you're having problems, go ahead and click here. All right, Saitama Inu. Oh, no Inu. Saitama is doing pretty good right now. Crypto Bubbles, I have it listed right there. You can kind of watch it bounce around. Fantastic stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, wanted to show you this. Saitama Inu breaks record number of holders. So this is on Watcher News. So it says Saitama right there. So here's the funny thing. You see that it doesn't have the Inu here, but then the first thing I read, Saitama Inu fans. So is there an Inu or is there not an Inu? People say in the comments that stop saying Inu because it's not Inu. But the first thing I read, Saitama Inu fans, it's time to rejoice. According to the data provided by Whale Stats, Saitama Inu holds across 325,000 holders. Now, we just did that a second ago, too. This is really good news for the fans of the emerging token. The young token has been making much desired noise in the community, has made a name for itself in the same. So again, there's a record right here. Outstanding job, 325,000 holders of Saitama. So again, Saitama, maybe Inu, maybe not, breaks records, number of holders. So yeah, we just went and showed you that. It's almost up, 175, double would be 350. So it didn't double in 90 days. It almost doubled, 90%. There's 325,000 holders of Saitama. Well, if they're breaking records, what do you think the price is going to do? You think it's going to go up? It's up right this second, 14 to 17% in the last 7 days. All right, let's go over to Visa card with cryptocurrency and people linking their crypto accounts to Visa. It says right here, Visa says crypto link cards usage hit 2.5 billion in the first quarter. Visa says during the recent earnings call, customers made $2.5 billion in payments with crypto links in the first quarter of the year. Well, I got news for everybody. It's the first month of the year. It's only the 2nd of February. People are using crypto link cards to spend in a variety of ways. Retail goods, services, restaurant, travel. Visa has started crypto consulting services and investing in crypto platforms as part of the push for digital currency adoption. Right there you see Coinbase with the Visa card. It says right here, to us, the signal that consumers are seeing utilities and having a Visa card linked to an account with crypto platform, there is value in being able to access the liquidity. The fund purchase to manage your expenses, to do so instantaneously and seamlessly. We will continue to lean into the crypto space with our strategy is to be key to partner with providing connectors, scale, consumer value proportions, reliable securities that is needed for the crypto offerings to continue to grow. Right here, the payment company also announced that the network of crypto wallet partners went from 54 to 65, including Coinbase, Circle, BlockFi, just to name a few. So yeah, and the number of merchants accepting crypto payments also grew to 100 million. So yeah, everybody, Visa says crypto link cards usage hit 2.5 billion. Just to show you, crypto's not going away anytime soon. We got record holders with Saitama. We literally got record number, $2.5 billion spent on credit cards linked to crypto accounts. All kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe to the channel. All right, over here at the Saitama website, Fostering the Future of Finance. What's their mission statement? Welcome to Saitama, the community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20, that smart code that makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. I want to play this right here. What's their mission? To educate the next generation of investors, make it financial well-being accessible to all. Although digital currencies has been around for decades, in the early stages of revolutioning that will recognize our society, redistribute wealth, and giving anyone the chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, but for the global decentralized financing to become reality, they will need to not only overcome technical hurdles, but simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that makes people comfortable with the money while they invest, opening an unprecedented opportunity for wealth creation. Checking this out?
Welcome to Saitama Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
All right, I always like to play that. It's right on the website. Saitama's got a nice mission statement to teach the youth about finance. Fantastic. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. This token's up 15%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros there. What's my price prediction? I think the token's going to go up about 10 or 15% by the end of the first quarter. All our information is for educational purposes only. A lot of fantastic stuff going on with Saitama. All right, Visa credit cards linked to crypto accounts. Saitama literally getting more holders than ever before. The price is up right this second. Fantastic information. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, Frank's from Frank's Crypto Corner. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later.